The uncommon nature of reality. The uncommon nature of reality means that, or the truth of the uncommon nature of reality is that there are no constants. Nothing continues. Nothing exists permanently. There is only change. There is only expansion. There is only movement, for nothing stands still. The purpose of your life, of your existence, is to expand, is to evolve. Whether that is through the experience of doing nothing at all, or the experience of doing everything, attempting to conquer the world. All is experience. All is born of source. The nature of your reality, to the extent that you are being the source that resides within you, is to follow that which inspires, is to follow that which you are excited about, that which you are passionate about. For your excitement and your passion are the language of your higher self, of your inner being. Your excitement, your passion indicates the pathway of least resistance. For you are in full flow. For you are within the high energies of your vortex, magnetized, claiming the resources, claiming the expertise that are required for manifestation. And when you are following your inspiration and your passion, you are in the higher energies. You are in and participating in the higher frequencies, which birth ideas and claim the resources that magnetize the ideas and expand their density to the point where they are, with speed, able to be perceived with their physical senses. Imagine a new idea that you have experienced recently. Remember the feeling. Remember the excitement. Remember the exhilaration of knowing that it would be a success, of knowing that you would have a good time, of knowing that it would be fun. Remember the holding of the feeling. Remember the sharing of the idea in the creation of the experience, the sharing with friends, the sharing with partners. And as they begin to co-create, as they begin to collaborate in the creation of the idea, the energies expanded, the excitement expanded. And within that energy, within that excitement, the details begin to feel themselves out. Locations began to feel themselves out. Menus, other ideas, other pieces and parts began to feel themselves out. Until the experience was made manifest. It is possible for the human being that is present now as an individual extension of source to make a life, to make a practice of following their passions, of following their excitement. And if one would do that and one would trust that source is guiding them, that source is managing the process of creation, is managing the process and navigating the experiences in that excitement that are the highest and the most relevant to your soul, then the life that would be manifest at this moment would be unimaginable. For your excitement carries one's highest desires to fulfillment. For your excitement carries one's highest intentions to fulfillment. The manifestations that range and flow from the expression of one's excitement cannot be measured, for they are born of the wholeness and the fullness of source that flows through you. They are born of the highest energies, the highest vibration, the purest resonance, for your excitement is free of resistance. Your excitement carries no resistance. You only feel doubt, you only feel worry, you only feel hesitation when you allow your attention and your focus to veer from your desired end. When your excitement wanes, this is when the fear and the doubt and the worry are able to step in, when your attention and your focus are taken off the experience of your desires. This is the claiming of any manifestation desired, any experience desired. When you hold your attention, your focus on that desire and place yourself in the vibration, in the feeling place of the experience. It doesn't matter whether it's a physical object that you desire, money, cars, homes, watches, lovers, friends, or if it's a subjective experience like love or acceptance or anything, a feeling of anything that is non-physical that you desire. There is a vibrational resonance for the idea. There is a vibrational birthplace for the idea in which you can establish yourself now in the present moment. And when you become one with your desire, when you become one with your intention, whether it's a feeling, whether it's a state of being or a state of mentality, or if it's a physical manifestation, when you become one with the vibration of that desire, when you become one with the energy signature, the energy presence of that desire in the present moment, well, then that's when it's able to bloom fully and able to bloom in an accelerated rate, because there is no resistance to its existence. There's no resistance to its presence in the present moment. Excitement is the key. Excitement stemming from the anticipating and the holding of the experience, of the desire, of the manifestation. Excitement coupled with the finding of the vibration, the resonance of the desire. These magnify your attraction. These magnify and expand your energies, the pathway to manifestation for your desire. These place you in vibrational alignment with your higher self, with source energy that courses through you, lining and gracing the pathway for all future desires, all past intentions to be manifest. Breathe excitement. Live excitement. Find and celebrate excitement for your life now. Excitement for all that you have manifest now. Excitement in the knowing that you are the creator, that you are the source of the light that is reflected. Line, coat your experience now with excitement, and joy, and place your intentions inside of that excitement, inside of that joy. And notice the changes in the experiences that are manifest as your life. Thank you. We love you. We celebrate and honor the opportunity to express our knowledge to you. Until next time, we love you.